Let's create our first guest list. Here we are at the Eventene dashboard. Let's navigate to the Group tab on the navigation bar. This brings us to our Groups menu, where we can view our past and current groups once they are created. For now, let's just create a new group. We now see the New Group menu. We can choose to create a group based off of the following options. We can create from scratch, which lets us create a fully new group. We can also copy an existing group, upload a CSV file with group data, paste group data from our clipboard, or create a subgroup, assuming a larger group has already been created. For more information on subgroups, see the subgroups article. For now, let's create a group from scratch. And enter the name for our group. Let's click on the Create button, which brings us to our group summary page. From here, we can add people to our group by selecting the People tab and clicking New Person. We can see our individual details menu, where we can enter the information for each person. The default fields include first name, last name, and email. To add new fields, select the Layout tab. Custom field sets can be created with new fields with such information as true or false, yes, no, address, phone number, and more. Adding custom fields will help you to distinguish invitees as your groups get larger for bigger events. This has been a brief introduction into creating a guest list or group. Thank you for listening, and plan wisely.